The Mumbai Civic Corporation will offer vaccination for pregnant women and limited centers starting Monday. An earthquake within a magnitude of 6.2 jolted North Sulawesi province in central part of Indonesia on Saturday but was not potential for tsunami, the Meteorological and Geophysic Agency said here. The Haryana government on Friday announced reopening for schools for class 9 to 12 from July 16, saying students will be allowed to join with the permission of their parents. In a climb down, Facebook-owned messaging platform WhatsApp said on Friday it has voluntarily decided not to enforce its new privacy policy till India's personal data protection bill is passed. With the replacement for old Cheetah and Chetak helicopters still stuck in red tape amid the continuing military confrontation with China, the armed forces are planning to approach the government to procure a minimum inescapable quantity of the already selected Russian Kamov 2260 choppers in a flyaway condition. The White House on Friday said that US President Joe Biden has nominated Los Angeles Mayor Eric Garcetti to be the US ambassador to India. A loud blast heard in North Tehran early on Saturday was caused by an unknown object exploding in a park, but no one was hurt, Iranian state television reported. Losing wickets at a crucial time when rain was about to wash out the rest of the game cost India as they went down by 18 runs via Duckworth-Lewis method in the first Women T20 International against India in Northampton on Friday. Farhan Akhtar is all set to eternal the audience once again with his upcoming film Tufan. The actor, who is busy promoting the film, recently narrated an incident from the first press conference of Bhag Milkha Bhag that the apparently never forget.